Welcome, today in front of me TCL 306, and I'll show you how to disable quick launch on this device. So as can you see, by double press the power key button, now the camera app is activated, and if you want to turn off this feature, you should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the button and gestures. Then click here to the power key, and just to turn off the quick launch to camera app, click here only once on the switcher. And now, as can you see, by double press the power key button, we just can't activate the camera app anymore. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.